This is Silver Lake Regional Park in Haymarket, Virginia. It is a 230-acre passive recreation park in Prince William County, Virginia, where you can walk, birdwatch, and ride your horses with the appropriate negative reports for your equines. There is a 23-acre lake fed by the Little Bull Run stream where you can fish. There's also picnic tables, grills, and restroom facilities, but there are no trash cans. This is a park that uses the leave no trace principle, including but not limited to fisherman hooks and waste, animal dog bag disposal, and food trash from picnics and parties. See the links below for the Prince William County, Virginia Parks main page, an article on the Leave No Trace policies, and click the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.